My name is Christiana Sletton, and I'm the Director for Residential Life at Arizona State University.
Well, my name is Jack Sarah. I have an older daughter going into her senior year and a younger daughter going into her junior year.
At ASU, we work within the residential college model. And what that means is that students who reside on campus actually have the opportunity to live with students who are in their academic major. So students who are business students get to live with other business students, engineering, arts and design, and so on and so forth. And what this creates are smaller pockets of community where students feel a sense of belonging and connection to their peers and to the university.
The first couple of weeks she was there, she kind of felt like she was a doe in the headlights or a deer in the headlights because it's such a big transition and you're moving from being at home and everybody taking care of you to living on independently.
We have a team of community assistants, and each community has a person who is dedicated to their success as a student. And this person also serves as someone who connects them to resources, supports them, and assists with engaging them in experiences on campus.
Well, both of them shared that one of the things that was unexpected was living with people. Okay. And it's hard to live with people, and especially a roommate, whether you've been best friends or you're just thrown into a random arrangement of whatnot. You might have a different homework load than your roommate, and your roommate might be more stressed. Your roommate might like to stay up later than you do. So working on establishing some ground rules with your roommate, what's acceptable.
So as with any new environment, students are working to find their way and also determine their path as they enter college. They're working to develop new relationships and their new and engaging coursework that they're partaking in when they're in the classroom. And all of these things are normative components of change, but also ones that require a slight transition period. Within all of that, our residential life team, along with our student services team broadly, is always willing to assist and support and help students along the way, because this is a new and exciting new step.
There's this app called the Sun Devil Rewards app that you can download either on your iPhone or your Android. It may seem kind of silly, but there's a way to check in and find out what's happening in the university, what's happening on campus, whether it's an event. They have these trivia contests so you can learn more about ASU and what's happening.
The residential life team is a great supportive resource. Both your student's community assistant, who lives within the community with them, and your student's community director are committed to their success. Our wellness partners at health services and counseling services are also wonderful resources for you to connect with during your time at ASU and can support your health and well-being. Career services, they're positioned to assist your student with future career and also in building their resume and maybe even potentially engaging in on-campus employment opportunities. And then I would also say that your student's academic advisor and college faculty and staff are very valuable resources within the process.
The freshman events and the opportunities that are presented to them are wonderful. It's so engaging. It gets you involved. It gets you active right away. You know what? A little bit's on you too. You got to stay awake and aware and look for those opportunities when they're presented to you and take advantage of them. Start saying yes to things and try things.
The advice that I would give to new and incoming students is to be open. Be open to new friendships, be open to new opportunities, experiences, and be open to learning something new. College is such an exciting time, and living on campus really works to invigorate that experience. Find ways to connect with those who are in your classes, spend time talking with your faculty in your college, and work to foster these relationships, and get involved with student organizations on campus. Know that at any time you have a wealth of support that is all around you and available to you whenever you need it.